how to allow or prevent alarm or notification sounds in calls on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button. Then from the pop-up, tap on Settings. Now in call settings, we scroll down and tap on Call Alerts and Ringtone. Next, tap on Allow Alarm or Notification Sounds in calls. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. When you turn this on, then during the call, you can hear alarm and notification sounds when there are alarm or notification sounds. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.